Jai Hind to dear all, dear students. Now read these words: old and new religions. You have to remember that through the thousands years between 700 to 1750, we find important changes and developments in religions and religious traditions. While reading this topic, note down these words. First, religious traditions. Religious traditions means the specific practices that bind a religion, such as prayer. Second, divine. Divine means like God or a god. Third, supernatural agency. Supernatural agency means special events, special powers that cannot be explained by the laws of science, such as gods and spirits related to religions. Number 4, deities. Deities means god or goddess. Next, consolidated. Consolidated means make stronger. Next, patrons. Patrons means a person or a king who gives money and support to artists and writers. Next, elaborate rituals. Elaborate rituals means detailed action or process which is always done in same way. Next, sovereignty. Sovereignty means supreme power or greatest or highest authority. Theologians and jurists. Theologians and jurists means an expert in theology, means an expert in the study of religion. Jurist means writer on law, जो कि कानून के बारे में लिखता है वो ज्यूरिस्ट कहलाता है. मिस्टिक. Mystic means persons who spend life developing spirit and communicating with God. Now, students, through this topic, let's try to understand what were some of the major religious developments during this period. We find major religious developments in Hinduism, such as the worship of new deities, the construction of temples by kings, and growing importance of Brahmins and priests. The emergence of the idea of bhakti, of a loving person, deity that devotees could reach without the help of priests, मीन्स भक्ति मूवमेंट का जो प्रारंभ हुआ इस समय में वो काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण था. एंड नेक्स्ट, मर्चेंट्स एंड माइग्रेंट्स first brought the teachings of Holy Quran to India in 17th century. Muslims regard the Quran as their holy book and accept the highest authority of the one God or Allah. Shia Muslims believed that Ali Ali was the Prophet Muhammad's son-in-law, leader of the Muslim community. Ali was the acceptable leader of the Muslim community. Shia believed this. And Sunni Muslims accepted the authority of the early leaders, means खलीफास of the community. यानी सुन्नी मुस्लिम खलीफा में विश्वास करते हैं और शिया लोग अली में विश्वास करते हैं. And the next topic we have to start in next part. Okay, thank you.